Man, I've been holding off this video for so long, but at this point, I just have to do it. So, hey everybody, welcome to installing the Windows Vista extended kernel. We're just gonna get straight to the point. You wanna go to your browser, put in Windows Vista extended kernel, and click on the first link. It should take you to a page that looks like this, right? And you wanna find the highlighted here. So click that, click that, click that. Now you got those installing, right? And I think there's a few other like things you need to download. So I'm just gonna reference my unrelated video real quick. So yeah. Alright, so I've referenced the unrelated video. You need to get these files here. This first one is Windows 6.0 KB44, right? And then this other one is Windows 6.0 KB97. And then you need mfplatesetup.7z. So those are the files you're going to need, right? Now, we're going to switch to Windows Vista real quick. So, another jump cut. Yay. Alright everyone. I'm back. We have all the files and stuff we need on a flash drive. It's plugged into the computer currently. And yes, I am dual booting. I'm not just swapping hard drives like this is a game console. Right? So, we're gonna open up the computer. Here it is, Gorilla. That's what I named it. We're going to come all the way down here. I'm going to grab these two, put them on the desktop. Let's give it a second. Let's move that. And then where's the other one? Here it is. Alright. So we got these files here, right? I'm not sure if you can see that because the screen on this camera is kind of dookie. But we got the files there. I'm going to move the camera back a little bit. Alright. Now to reference the video again. Alright, now that I've referenced the video, all we have to do is we just have to install these updates. Click on the update. Let it start. And the reason I'm doing this is so I can get the drivers for my graphics card to work. Or it's an RX 580, like the oldest operating system it has drivers for is Windows 7. And this obviously isn't Windows 7, so what Xkernal does is it just tricks it into thinking it's Windows 7. So yeah. And I also need to get my Wi-Fi chip done too, and a bunch of motherboard drivers. That's why I'm doing this. I don't want to do this Vista extended kernel crap, because it's just kind of a hassle, but like, at this point I can't hold it off anymore. Now we're just going to wait for it to boot. Just give it a second. And no, I did not swap out that motherboard, it's still in here. Alright, here we are. Take me to Vista. Look at that loading screen though. That is just beautiful. I might try putting XP on here too. But until they release an extended kernel for that, I'm not going to do it. That sound. Alright. Signed in. You have this update installed. So we're just going to put it one over. Now we're going to get this one installed. Alright, you already know what's going to happen, so another jump cut. Alright, so here's what that unrelated video doesn't tell you, right? You need to install 7-zip. Just, give me a second. We have to install 7-zip because that's not a zip file right there, the Xkernal setup. So, yeah. just gonna do both of these just in case. Alright, 7-zip is installed. Now we click on here, 7-zip. We open the archive, right? Ooh, that's graphics right there, yeah, let me tell you. Alright, so you click on this, and it's not appearing. Okay. Hold on, let me retry that real quick. Crap. Just when things are making sense. Okay, here it is. Now you're supposed to look for a setup.exe file, but I'm not seeing one. So, hold on, let's drag this one to the trash. And hold on. If you're dual booting operating systems, instead of using like a disk, like a flash drive, and just like turning the computer off and on, here's what you can do. So you can go to your other, like, friggin' whatever it's called. You can look in your, users, and in down, okay, wrong one. Alright, in your other friggin', you know what I'm saying. Now that you're here, here's your downloads from your other partition. You can just drag the stuff from there. I didn't realize that when I was doing that in the first part of the episode. Xkernal setup, here it is. 7-zip, open archive. Here it is. This is what you're supposed to be seeing. So, you're supposed to look for a file named setup.exe, right? Once you find setup.exe, you click it. Let me get you guys a better view on this. You double click it, that will come up, and you press run. Oh wait, hold on, I actually got that wrong, my fault. You're supposed to run it as an administrator. So, hold on. Open. Is there a way to open that as an administrator? Crap. Open. Okay, give me a second, I'll figure this out. Alright guys, so here's what I did. I pulled up the 7-zip thing. I made a new folder, right? I copied it all to here, right? Then I found the setup file, I clicked run as administrator. It did the thing, but it like closed as soon as it was done. I don't even know if it's done, so we're just gonna run this now. So here's what you do. You need a new folder. I'm gonna name it Dingus Dungus. You can choose pretty much any name you want for it. Alright. 7-zip, open archive. Here it is. Well, I think you just want to just drag it here. Actually, yes you do, so we can just get rid of Dingus Dungus. So, here's the file. You want to go on here, you want to find a CMD file, which is this one right here. You want to run as administrator. Alright, so here, what's it saying? This is the Windows Media Foundation updater, necessary for improved video, whatever that says, in modern Firefox. This program must be run with administrative privileges, which is what we did. The Windows Vista extended kernel must be installed. Press any key to continue. It did the thing. Windows Media Foundation updater is installed. Press any key to continue. Alright, so it did that. Now, I'm going to just reference the video again for the millionth time. I'll see you then. Alright, so I referenced the thing. Now we just have to restart the system. Kaboom. And now we wait. Alright, don't think that we're done yet, because there's still more. I don't have any modern apps here with me right now. But if you do and you try to open it up, it wouldn't work. And that's because it's not completely done yet. What you want to do is you want to open up, damn it, you want to open up Notepad. Here it is. So you want to open up Notepad. We got the Notepad. Let me just make it a little smaller. So it fits in the friggin' frame. Right? So here it is. It's in frame. And what you want to do is, let me just reference the video again. Give me a second. Alright, so when you open up Notepad, and just know it doesn't matter like what the size of the font is, I guess. The tutorial wouldn't tell me. I mean, the unrelated video wouldn't tell me. But here's what you want to do. You want to put global, uppercase E enabled equals 1. Uppercase M, major, uppercase V version equals 6. And then minor version 1, uppercase M and V. Uppercase B, build version, equal sign, 7601. That's Windows 7 Service Pack 1, right? And if we pull up WinVer here, Windows Vista uses version 6.0, right? And this is going to be 6.1. So, yeah. Now, we want to save it as an INI file, I think, and I just need to figure out how to do that. So, yeah. Alright. So, now, if you're done that, you want to go to save the file. You want to name it osver.ini. No uppercases, none of that. Just osver.ini. And you want to save the file type as all files, right? It's not text document, just save it as all files. And then you just want to save it to... You want to save it... Like I was saying, you want to save it to your desktop. Right? Save. There we go. We've saved it. There it is. Got the little gear thing. Right? osver.ini. Alright, I'll be right back. I just need to reference the thing again. Alright, so next up, now that you're done that, you want to hit Windows R, right? And it'll pull up this, right? In here, you want to type in system root directory. You want to open up system root directory. Hold on, I spelled it wrong. Give me a second. Alright, so what I found, instead of doing that, just go to computer, local disk, find the Windows folder, right? Take the OS version.ini file and just drag it in there, right? And I already did that because I was trying to troubleshoot. So yeah, it's in there. So now if we pull up WinVer, it used to be 60, you remember that, right? Now it is, this screen on this camera isn't really giving me like a good view of what you guys see. It says version 6.1. Service Pack 2, yeah, 601. There it is. And this here is 6.1. So now it thinks it's Windows 7. So let's try some applications that only work on Windows 7. Give me a second. Like my Wi-Fi card. Ow! Give me a second. Let me just unplug it, plug it back in. Right? It should be in here. Here it is. So, I need Wi-Fi, so that's why I'm doing this. Alright. I tried this before, it didn't work, so let's see if it works now. And if this works, this is just proof that like companies just hate older operating systems. because now I told it that this is Windows 7. That's pretty much what Xkernal does. It tells every single app that, like, yeah, this is definitely Windows 7. Yeah, don't worry about it. So, yeah. And look at that. It actually completed. Nice. It worked. Now you have Vista Xkernal installed on your Vista PC. I'm going to connect to a network real quick, and I'm going to be right back. Alright, now I'm just installing some drivers for the RX 580. Because, like, that's the entire reason I'm doing this. Why I put Xkernal on here. I tried Chrome, but this thing, for some reason, will not connect to the internet. The driver's installed and everything works, it just doesn't want to connect. So, yeah. Like, no kidding, it won't even show any, like, Wi-Fi networks or anything. So, I'll be back when this, like, stops doing this loading bar stuff. Alright, it's doing the thing. Oh, no, that's not good. Give me a second. Let me check the device manager. Device cannot start. Well, we gave it a try anyway. Well, if you guys have any, like, recommendations on how to fix that, I would be, like, really happy. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I now have Xkernal installed on this stupid idiot thing. Bye.